Hello there, welcome to Scrum Positive. The question today is, who is a Scrum Master? And when you ask that question on the internet, there are some answers that you will get about the actual role or responsibility of the Scrum Master, the job description. But there's something interesting else that you get. So I've heard one of the sites where there were so many disgruntled team members who did not like the Scrum Master. And they said, who is the Scrum Master? He's the most wasted. He's the person who is such a waste within the team, does not do anything. And I looked at that, and I was working as a Scrum Master. This was doing my previous job, and I was looking, okay, someone is telling about me. They're very unhappy that even my job exists. They are so angry with the Scrum Master. So, yes, that is one answer. Another answer is that, which I like, or which I tell myself what I am. The Scrum Master is a person who coaches the team on the Scrum Framework, helps the team. He's a coach and he's also a facilitator. He's also a person who doesn't have any power. He doesn't have any power over the team. But he or she has power over the framework. So the process or the framework is what your focus is. And using that framework, using that process to help the team. So that's my version of Scrum Master. It's not a very powerful job. It is probably also a role that will get removed initially, because the value of a Scrum Master, the value of Scrum is seen over a period of time. What happened with me in the previous company is that the company said they wanted to be agile, and they asked everyone within the agile organization to leave, because sometimes saying that you want to be agile is not the same as having an agile organization or agile office within your company. Because when you're trying to cut down costs, many times the people who don't directly create value or cannot, like people who write code or people who manage projects or people who manage certain people and such kind of roles, except that everything seems like an expenditure. So yes, it is a role that is vulnerable. But I'm happy to say that I'm a Scrum Master. I like the role, because every company that I've worked, when I leave, yes, some people are unhappy. Some people are happy with me as well. There are people who have told that, yes, we enjoyed working with you. And there are people who felt so happy that I'm no more with the organization. Yes. But at the end of the day, I think I like that role, because that role has a lot of responsibility without the power to execute it. Sometimes people feel that's such a bad position to be in. But no, it's a good position to be. It's a good position to be creative. It is a place where your resources are limited, but what you have to deliver is more. And creativity only works when you work on limited resources, because that's when you try new things. The word Scrum Master sometimes makes people feel that you're a master. You're not a master. You're probably master of the framework. You have to know in and out of the framework. You need to know how you want to do things. You need to be able to coach people. If you want to be a Scrum Master, go ahead. But understand, it's not a position where there's a lot of power. It's a position where you facilitate. You don't tell people what to do. You are not the person who runs timelines, but you're the person who works on behalf of the team. If that's something that you think is encouraging, interesting, yes, that's a career path that you can take. You guys take care. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.